Hey everyone, welcome to Below 5 Petite. I just wanted to say hi and give you a little bit of a summary of my experience with doing the zero waist spiral pants. It's been a really wonderful experience learning how to create my first zero waist pattern for these spiral pants. It's been confusing and exciting at the same time. So I hope you enjoy this short review and waistband adjustments. I am not an expert. I just learned about the top down center out method, and I used my understanding of this method to simplify the waistband adjustments. Be sure to check out part 1, in which I show you how to draft these pants, and in part 2, which I show you how to sew these pants. I hope you will enjoy.